Hello Laravel developers, ready to install Laravel trial 12 in 2025? Let's get started in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Install Composer. First, make sure you have a Composer installed in your PC or laptop. If you're not, then download it. Step 2. Install Laravel. Now install Laravel globally by running Composer Laravel require Laravel installer. And then moving to the step 3, create a new project. Next, create your Laravel project with Laravel command, like Laravel new project name. Then if you are facing an error like Laravel command not found, then fix it by setting the composer path. I'm mentioning those both commands in my description. You can check it, copy, paste, and apply it. After that, check Laravel version and try again to create a new project. Create your Laravel project with Laravel new project name. After that, moving to the next step, choose starter kit, test framework. If you want to create a repo kit, then select yours as per your requirement. After configuration, all the things, then move to the next step, like set database configuration as per requirement. Here I am setting MySQL database username and password, which I am using for development. You can set it as per your configuration. Step 6. Go to your project path. Then like my CD where the HTML and project name. Skip this step if you are already on that path. Just go into CD project name and then after run PHP addition, migrate. Laravel automatically create a new database and default tables. Then moving to the final step, run Laravel project using PHP artisan solve, and here we are ready for development. I hope this will help you stay updated for new update. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.